So here it is, we've got our Tiandy. This is a color maker 4 megapixel turret camera. The model number of this is TC-C34SP. So what we'll do is we'll open this up and see what it looks like. So what we've got here is we've got our quick user guide, quick start guide, we've got our drill template, and then we've also got our parts list. So in this box we should get a camera, waterproof accessories, the user manual, positioning sticker, and screw package. So let's see if that's what we actually get. So there's our camera. We'll come back to. So there's our waterproof glands that we've got here. And then we've also got 3 stainless steel screws and some wall plugs. Let's take a look at the camera. So if you look at the camera itself, you got your top view, you got Tiandy, you got your lens, you got your white lights. To actually get this and mount this, pull this apart. So there's your base and there's your camera. And if we look in here, that's where you can put in your micro SD card. So it's all made out of metal. You've got this black feature here. But when you move this camera, you may notice you'll get some little white marks and stuff, which you probably just wipe off a bit later. So yeah, that's the 4 megapixel Tiandy color maker.